Good day everyone and welcome to my channel. Now this is going to be a quick video on how to send an email in MQL5. Without further ado, let's get started. Now for this, I'm going to be using the SendMail method. And as you can see, it sends an email at the specified address in the settings window of the email tab. Now the SendMail method returns a Boolean value and it takes a string subject, which is the header of the email, and some text. We just saw that the SendMail function returns a Boolean value. So for this example, I'm going to create a method or a function that returns a Boolean value. So it's going to return the value of the SendMail function. Let me just show you. I'll call this email sender. So that's our function. And in our function, I'm going to create a variable. I'll just call this status, and status will be equal to the SendMail function. So it's going to store the value of the SendMail function. And I'm just going to pass in the subject. We'll call this from let's just say scalper, you know, maybe let's say day trader, right? So day trading EA, or expert advisor. And we also pass in the text. So we'll just say running blues. And I'm going to say if status is not true, print email not sent. Else print email sent successfully. And we are going to return status. Let me just clean this up. And in the onIt function, I'm just going to call the email sender. Let's compile that and let's test this. Email sent successfully, and email day trading expert sent to my email. There's a few things we need to do to make the email sender work. So I'm going to head on over to tools, options, and go to email. Now in email, you want to enable email notifications. At SMTP server, you're going to write smtp gmail.com. The port number is 587. Now this assumes you're using a Google account to send the email. But let's move on. If you're using something else, you can search for the answer online. SMTP login, you're going to enter the email that is being used to send the email, so the sender email. SMTP password is going to be the app password. So what is an app password? An app password is a password you request from Google. So how do you get it? Well, you want to log into your Google account. In the search bar, you want to search app password, and then they give it to you. It's very quick. It's a quick process. Now, for the app password to work, you need to enable two-step verification. So you enable two-step verification and you request an app password, they give it to you. It takes like 2 minutes. And then from, you just enter the sender email. So the same email here. To is the email that's receiving the email, the receiver email. And that is it for this video.